Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic way to gather quick feedback from your team, schedule meetings, or make group decisions without endless back and forth messages. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your workspace so you can access all your teams and channels. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Apps. This section is where you can find and add various integrations and tools that enhance your team's experience. In the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and search for polls. This will bring up the polling tool that we'll be using to create our interactive poll. From the search results, find the one labeled Polls and click Add. This installs the polling feature directly into your team's workspace, making it accessible whenever you need to create a new poll. Now that the Polls app is added, click on Chat on the left side navigation panel. This is where you manage all your conversations, both individual and group chats. Next, find the team and channel where you want to post your poll and click on it. For example, you might choose a project team channel or a general discussion channel where your question is most relevant. Once you're in the channel, click Post in Channel. This opens up the message composition area where you can create your poll. Look for the plus icon below the text box and click it. This reveals additional options for enriching your message. From these options, select the Polls app we just added. Give it a moment to load. The polling interface will appear, ready for you to customize. Now it's time to create your poll. In the question field, input something like, "When should we have our next meeting?" This is the main question your team members will see and respond to. Below the question, you'll see spaces to add choices. Type in your options, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You can add as many choices as you need depending on what you're polling about. If you want people to be able to select more than one option, toggle on multiple selections. This is useful when you're trying to find multiple available time slots or gathering opinions on several items. You can also customize privacy and visibility settings. Check the box for record names of respondents if you want to see who voted for what. Additionally, check Share aggregated results with respondents so everyone can see the poll results in real time. Before sending, click Preview to see how your poll will look to your team members. This gives you a chance to make any last-minute adjustments. When everything looks good, click Send. Your poll is now live in the channel, and team members can start voting immediately. And that's it. You've successfully created an interactive poll in Microsoft Teams that makes decision-making quick and collaborative. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.